like in 2026, it's really the kind of thing where you could tell it to do kind of a wide range of tasks.
Elon Musk has once again sent shockwaves through the tech world with unexpected revelations about Tesla's Optimus humanoid robot. What began as a prototype struggling with basic tasks has transformed into something far beyond what anyone imagined possible. The latest leaks confirm Optimus is no longer just another factory assistant. It has undergone revolutionary upgrades that push the boundaries of robotics and artificial intelligence to unprecedented levels. According to multiple trusted sources, Optimus will operate with complete autonomy in the most extreme environments, using advanced AI systems to handle situations it was never specifically programmed to encounter. Its newly developed self-repair functions allow continuous operation without human intervention, while breakthrough power systems maintain peak performance through extended missions. Most impressively, the robot now features a completely redesigned sensory array and movement algorithms that enable fluid, human-like motion and the ability to perform complex physical tasks with startling precision and adaptability. The timing of these developments raises crucial questions about Tesla's ultimate plans. In a social media post that immediately went viral, Musk casually revealed, Starship departs for Mars at the end of next year, carrying Optimus. He further suggested crewed missions could follow as early as 2029, though 2031 appears more realistic. While debates continue about SpaceX's ambitious Mars timeline, one undeniable fact emerges: Optimus represents much more than another robotics project. Its potential role in both Earth-based industries and interplanetary exploration could fundamentally reshape humanity's future in ways we're only beginning to understand. Tesla has clearly evolved far beyond its origins as an electric vehicle manufacturer. The company now stands at the forefront of multiple technological revolutions: artificial intelligence, sustainable energy, and advanced robotics. While their vehicles transformed the auto industry, their AI systems are pushing the boundaries of what intelligent machines can achieve. However, artificial intelligence alone has inherent limitations. Consider the most advanced language models. While capable of generating sophisticated text, they lack physical presence or the ability to interact with the real world. This critical gap explains why Optimus represents such a monumental leap forward. Tesla isn't just building another robot, they're developing what may become an essential partner in human progress across countless domains. When Musk first unveiled the Optimus concept in late 2022, the response ranged from skepticism to outright mockery. Early prototypes appeared clumsy and limited, leading many to dismiss humanoid robotics as impractical. Yet through relentless iteration, what began as a stumbling proof of concept has matured into perhaps the most advanced general-purpose robot ever developed. Tesla's approach differs fundamentally from traditional robotics firms. Rather than creating machines programmed for specific repetitive tasks, they're building adaptable artificial beings that learn through observation and experience, much like humans. The true breakthrough lies in Optimus' foundation in Tesla's autonomous vehicle technology. Unlike conventional industrial robots limited to pre-programmed motions, Optimus processes visual data through neural networks remarkably similar to human cognition. This enables genuine contextual understanding and real-time problem-solving in dynamic environments. In just 2 years, Tesla has surpassed robotics companies with decades of experience. If their vehicles represent AI on wheels, Optimus embodies AI in human form. We'd greatly appreciate your support in bringing more in-depth analyses like this. Please consider subscribing, enabling notifications, and sharing with fellow tech enthusiasts. The ultimate significance of Optimus extends far beyond technical specifications. Imagine factories where no human risks injury performing dangerous tasks, or healthcare facilities where robots provide constant, compassionate support. By 2026, when Optimus enters mass production, we may witness the beginning of the most profound labor transformation since the Industrial Revolution. The relevant question won't be whether humanoid robots integrate into society, but how quickly they become as ubiquitous as smartphones. A future with billions of humanoid robots may seem unimaginable today, but similar skepticism once surrounded personal computers and mobile devices. History shows technological adoption often accelerates beyond even optimistic projections. Tesla isn't operating in isolation in this robotics revolution. Industry leaders across multiple sectors recognize the coming transformation, from automotive executives predicting fully automated factories within 5 years to tech giants racing to implement robotic workforces. However, Tesla's distinct advantage lies in vertical integration and manufacturing scale.
Well, we'll 10x that output next year. So we'll aim to do maybe 50 to 100,000 humanoid robots next year, and then 10x it again the following year. It's like 500,000 robots in 3 years.
Genuinely accessible humanoid robot rather than a prohibitively expensive industrial tool. Even established robotics firms acknowledge Tesla's disruptive potential, with some executives admitting they might accomplish in years what traditional companies pursued for decades. Before Optimus reaches consumers, Tesla is deploying thousands of units in its own facilities. These robots aren't for commercial sale. They're undergoing intensive real-world training, progressing from basic functions to complex operational tasks. Some observers question whether Optimus truly operates autonomously or still requires human oversight. The reality reflects Tesla's innovative approach. Rather than explicit programming for every scenario, Optimus learns through observation and experience, continuously improving its capabilities. The most visionary application involves Optimus on Martian terrain. These robots could perform essential preliminary work, surveying landscapes, identifying resources, and establishing basic infrastructure. Without Earth's GPS networks, Optimus would rely entirely on its advanced visual processing systems to navigate the Red Planet's challenging environment. Significant challenges remain, particularly regarding power solutions in Martian conditions. While Tesla's new 4680 battery technology provides impressive performance on Earth, the Martian environment demands innovative approaches to energy management. Humanoid robotics stands at an inflection point in technological history. As industry leaders have noted, these systems may enter mainstream use within years rather than decades. Optimus represents more than another product. It embodies the convergence of artificial intelligence, advanced robotics, and human ambition. While questions remain about timelines and implementation, one truth emerges clearly. The future we've imagined is materializing before our eyes, and its implications will reshape our world in ways we're only beginning to comprehend. The age of humanoid robotics isn't approaching. It's already here, and its development will accelerate in ways that may surprise even the most optimistic observers. The coming years will reveal whether these projections prove accurate, but the direction of progress is unmistakable.